My name is Wisaimana Odin, pupil in sixth form at Kawambawan. I want to declare you a poem about peace. I am calling on you, Burundian youth. I am addressing to you, Burundian people. Listen to my helpful piece of advice. Now my motherland is in tears, but alas, I am unable to feel it alone. Come all around, army, so that we free our country adrift. Burundi has so much suffers from evil, accumulating its tears and the bloodshed by the detractors of peace. Nowadays, our motherland tells us, stop misbehaving, give up the wrong deeds, lay down your weapons, hold one another hand in hand. Dear compatriots, here is holy counsel from our dear motherland, which is the cradle of our fair fathers, the cradle of our parents. Burundi is our cradle. Therefore, don't be its shield. Oh, youth, don't be fooled by demagogues trying to conquer the power through a lied youth to achieve vile wishes. Yet the young, we are the pillars of the nation. Oh, youth, let's say no to the evil. Surely peace will reign. Come and struggle for peace. We will earn our daily bread. Let's forget our ethnic differences for strengthening up our country without ethics today. Let's struggle against selfishness and evangelism. Let's fight for peace in order to restore security so that experience people make for their houses and then contact together destruction. Let's be optimistic about the peace restoration. Thank you for having followed.
Wow.